my channel. My name is Ayana B, and if you love everything girly from beauty, fragrances, makeup, and skincare, please stay tuned. So today we will be talking about this Sephora haul, y'all. Right now they have all fragrances, full size, 20% off. And I told y'all in the first video that if the Tom Fords went on sale, I was going to go ahead and pick those up. And guess what? I did. So if you want to see everything that I bought from Sephora, then stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm going to tell y'all, all of these sales are kind of running together, and I think I done bought something on all of these sales, which at this point, I do not need to buy anything else, and I will not be going back shopping. But anyways, let's go over some of this stuff here. Now, this is the Sephora, this one is the beauty set. So this was on sale for like $19, and it comes with a blender, a powder puff here, and it came with 3 brushes, which I'm excited to try. It's nice and soft. So you got these 3 brushes here, and it's like, you know, a little travel case with it, which is awesome. So I'm excited to use these. And then now they have the Natasha Denona. I bragged about that first one so much, and I'm still using the first one. I'm like, well, let me go ahead and try to get another one. And it was on sale for like, I think it was like $36. I don't know, y'all. It doesn't matter. I still bought it. So let's look at some of these colors here. Ooh. So I'm excited to kind of play with these two. These are the darker tone colors, which, let's look at this purple. Let's see how that one looks. Okay, so it's more like a burgundy, which is okay. Then I want to see this one here. So let's watch that one. Okay, so that's more of a burgundy reddish color. But anyway, so I'm going to play in this one too, and I'll come back and show what these look like here. I got so much stuff to kind of go over. I want to spend more time on one thing. But then they had lash glue on sale. Now this one, they had the Tarte, and this is the mascara. Now the wand on this mascara, I think it's going to be really good for the bottom lashes. So I'm like, ooh, I like this one. I'm going to try it. So I feel like I bought a lot of stuff that I'm like, okay, let's try it. Then they had the Gwen Stefani, and this is another mascara, and it's called Can't Stop Staring. So I'm like, ooh, let's see what this look like. And this one was on sale too. It was on sale. Oh, look at that wand. It's kind of neat. So it was on sale, and it was also the discount with Sephora's. So Rihanna also had some of her stuff on sale, y'all. When I say it was on sale on top of Sephora's discount. So this must be going into the savings haul or something. It was another sale that they had not too long ago. But this one here was on sale, and this one is the I think this is the brown sugar. Oh no, this is the butter drop shimmer. So if you don't like shimmer, I noticed a lot of Rihanna's have shimmers in them. So let me see. I feel like I done. Oh, and it smells like cinnamon toast or some type of cinnamon bread or bun or something. But It was on sale and I have it. I love the oils that she used in here. So I'm like, oh, let me get this one. But then they also had the... Now, this one is the other one. Now, this one I don't believe have the shimmers, which I'm okay with because I don't necessarily need to be shimmering all over the place. But let's see which one. Oh, I think this one is the butter drop. So they both are butter drop? Oh, wait. Okay, so this one says warm cinnamon shimmer. So, okay, wait. Butter drop is the name of the brand. Okay, and then this one is the... I don't get it. I don't know. But this says butter drop too, so maybe this is just butter drop regular, original, and it doesn't have any... Oh, and it doesn't really have a smell, but it's really, really faint and really light. But the oils is what I love about Rihanna's body creams here. So then she also had the Fenty Beauty. Now, I bought this one before, and this one was more expensive, but it was on sale again. So just these three, which are all regular size, was, I believe, like $28 at Sephora. So let's try. Let me see. Let's open it up and let's try one of these. I believe the one that I love, and they all smell good because like I said, this is just another repurchase for me. They all smell so good, but they kind of smell the same, like cherry. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. And it smells like cherry. Makes my lip pop. And now that was all that I got for Rihanna. Okay, y'all. So now let's talk about this fragrance that I bought. Now, I told y'all too, when I bought the smaller Kayali Vanilla 28, I had to go ahead and get the bigger size because it smells so good and I love it. Now, the vanilla notes, it says it has tonka beans, brown sugar, amber woods, and it has a musk in it. So I just love this so much. I'm like, let me go ahead and let me get this. And it smells so good. I could smell the brown sugar in here. And it just smells so good. And it's not too strong for me, but I love a strong smell. So that is the Kayali Vanilla 28. And then, of course, everybody was talking about the Kayali Yum Bougie Marshmallow. And I'm like, ooh, now, and it says it's the intense one. But the box, of course, is different than the original ones. But box don't do nothing but go in the garbage anyway. So I'm going to add this one to my collection. And so, let's see. Because I think I smelled this one, but I'm not sure. But this one has the keynotes of freesia, strawberry, pink marshmallow, creamy coconut, whipped vanilla, and pink musk. So a lot of Kayali scents are layerable. So even with me putting that vanilla 28 on, it's going to be, ooh, it smells. Ooh, y'all might want to go ahead and cop this one because I think I like the pink freesia on the pink freesia on this one. And it smells so good mixed with that vanilla. So y'all might want to get y'all nose on this one and a vanilla 28 if you don't already have it. So the next one that I did get is the Tom Ford, and this one is the Sol Blanc. And y'all, when I say I'm not gonna spray anything else on me, so I'm gonna spray the box. This one, now I did pick up the, oh yeah, it smells really good, really light. I picked up the body shimmer, And the body shimmer is so pretty and it's so light. So adding this with the shimmer is gonna, of course, enhance that smell, the fragrance. So that was one. And then I ended up getting the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Now this cherry scent, some people don't like the roasted cherry scent that it gives off, but this one, to me, I love this one. And I think I like cherries, so I'm pretty sure. See, and this one is black cherry, tonka bean, almond, and it says it's a sweet, a warm, sweet gourmand. So yes, this one smells really nice. And then I couldn't decide between the Lost Cherry or the Electric Cherry. I love cherries, y'all. So just the scents on both of these, they were just amazing. And I couldn't decide which one I wanted. So guess what? Why not get them both? So yes, this one smells, they both smell so delightful. And I am glad to be adding my Tom Fords to my fragrance collection, y'all. So those are the things that I bought as far as my fragrances and everything that I bought in regards to the sale. Now, they did give some free samples, and I'm going to go over those really quickly. So in that free gifts, y'all, I have the Kayali. This is that Young Pistachio. And then this is More Sex, and that's from Charlotte Tilbury. Then they gave some sunscreen from Glow, which works really well under my makeup. And then this one is this is lip mask from Laneige. And then eye cream. Then it looks like here I have some detox shampoo. Oh, they have Anastasia Beverly lip gloss. And it looks like Lancome eyelash mascara. And this is saying BB Invisible Hair Oil. So I love getting these free gifts, y'all, because it gives me an opportunity to try new products, try and see what works for my skin. And even for hair care, I've tried some different things for my hair. So if you guys are happy with everything that I have provided and I showed you guys, go ahead and like, subscribe, and even comment. Let me know what you have in your basket if you plan to do any shopping. Or even, listen, there's some loved ones out here that is loving skincare, beauty, all of this good stuff. Take advantage of the sale. You get 20% off. You can give it to them for Christmas, birthdays, just because gifts. Hey, and if you love everything that you saw and you even love my character, my personality, come and join the family, y'all. Like, subscribe, and comment. Put the notification bell on so that you'll know every time that I subscribe. Until next time, y'all, have a great day.